Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The design of a 2025 Ferrari Motorhome offers a fascinating contrast between the spacious comfort of leisure vehicles and the high-performance car engineering. Even though Ferrari is best known for their sports cars and grand tours, the idea of applying their engineering and design principles to a motorhome is an intriguing, if speculative, one. Such a car's exterior would probably be designed with Ferrari's trademark aesthetics in mind. Flowing lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and an obvious sensation of dynamic motion, even when still. One may expect a low-slung design with carefully sculpted contours to maximize ventilation, rejecting the classic boxy silhouette of conventional RVs. Undoubtedly, to guarantee instant brand identification, hallmark Ferrari design cues would be incorporated, including unique lighting signatures, the recognizable Cavallino ramp anti-badging, and possibly even design components taken from their current model lineup. In order to manage the inherent weight of a larger vehicle and to reflect Ferrari's dedication to performance through reduced bulk, it would be crucial to employ cutting-edge lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum alloys. It seems sense that a 2025 Ferrari Motorhome's power plant would utilize the brand's proficiency with high-performance engines. Although the exact design is still up in the air, one may imagine a powerful engine positioned longitudinally, possibly a V8 or even a hybridized V12, designed to deliver thrilling acceleration and smooth cruising, unusual for a car of this class. Including a cutting-edge transmission system, possibly a dual-clutch arrangement, would guarantee smooth and quick gear changes. In addition, the chassis would require an advanced suspension system, maybe with active roll control and adaptive dampers, to provide remarkably quick handling for a car of its size, as well as a comfortable ride on lengthy trips. Equally sophisticated braking systems would probably use carbon ceramic rotors for superior stopping force. Luxury and driver-centric design would surely be given top priority in the interior of a 2025 Ferrari Motorhome. A luxurious and sophisticated living area would be created with premium materials like soft Italian leather, finely made wood or carbon fiber accents, and custom metalwork. The driver's cockpit would probably have an ergonomic layout, cutting-edge digital instrumentation, and simple controls, all of which are hallmarks of Ferrari sports vehicles. Despite their size, the living areas would probably still have a feeling of athletic elegance, with features like modular furniture made of opulent yet lightweight materials, built-in entertainment systems with top-notch audio, and a design philosophy that prioritizes both practicality and visual appeal. A 2025 Ferrari Motorhome would essentially be a daring and unorthodox combination of elegance and performance, appealing to a discriminating customer looking for a leisure vehicle that goes above and beyond the norm. It would make a statement and represent Ferrari's steadfast dedication to superb engineering, unique design, and a driving experience that is unquestionably Ferrari, even in a larger format.